Hey, we are in the Blue Ridge Mountains of Virginia, and we're filming Close Encounters of the Fifth Kind. We're going to do some things out on site in the mountains, kind of talking about how all this project started back in the 1970s in the Blue Ridge Mountains of North Carolina, where the original CE5 events took place. So I'd like to thank all of you guys who are helping us with the funding. We're about a third of the way, a little more, so get the word out for us. This is the film that's going to tell the public about the next big thing. And Past Disclosure Project is millions of people making contact with these civilizations and just leaving the intelligence community behind in a wave of consciousness that's focused on the future. And that's how we create a new future, is all of us working together. So I'd like to thank all of you for your support and continue to do so. Go to CE5film.com and help us get this done. Thank you.